rest of my life, swear I don't mind.
You guys, how cute is she? Oh my gosh, I am actually obsessed with her. She's so freaking cutie. Like, I just love the buckles so much. And she's in the brown, I don't know the exact name, I forgot. But the design, I'm so obsessed. She's just so cute to me, and I feel like she's the perfect length. I love a cutie little shoulder bag. I'm gonna pack her today. Well, actually no, she's already packed, but I just want to show you guys what I have inside her before we head out. And she has like these two front pockets that open up, and I don't really store much in here usually, but actually I have some hand sanitizer wipes in the first one. And then I have just my lipstick. I usually keep like little lip products in the front pocket because they're tiny, but they're actually they do have quite a bit of room. So if you want to like store any little things in there, that's a good spot for it. Inside I don't love carrying like around a heavy, huge bag with me, so I love how she's like a perfect size. And I just have a few things in here. I have my wallet, it's nice and thin, which is nice. And I have my camera. My camera actually fits in here, so it's really cute because it's super compact. And that's my camera. And then I have some hand sanitizer spray. This one is so cute. I actually got her it's like a Sanrio one. I got her in Taiwan at like one of these stores. And yeah, all the characters are so cute. And there's also just like a pocket in here. And I just have another lip pencil and my sunglasses, which I need because you never know, and some more lip products. And that's pretty much all I packed inside her because I don't want to carry I don't want to lug around a whole bunch of stuff with me. I just want to keep it light. And I'm gonna be bringing her with me today. She's so cute. I'm obsessed. I will always be obsessed. And anyways, that is what's in my bag. Today I'm going to go to the aquarium. I'm so excited. I love aquariums, first off. I love the ocean. I love ocean animals. I love the sea. I love the beach. Everything under that umbrella in the sun in that way. So we're gonna go to the aquarium and see what it's like. I've been to quite a few aquariums before, so we'll see how good this one is.
Yeah, come over here.
Hello, you guys. I am home now. I'm all cozy and I'm journaling a little bit. I have some tea here and I'm still waiting for it to cool down. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit and check in. Something that I've been thinking about for a while is how in our 20s there's so much pressure to climb the ladder or run the race so fast and accomplish things so fast. And I think so much of the time we are so caught up in the building of our lives that we actually forget to live our lives and be in the present moment and take it all in. And because of that, life is just passing us by. I feel like it's so important to slow down and appreciate the gifts in the present moment. Because honestly, the present moment is all that we ever have. Even if you say tomorrow or next week, by then it will be the present moment. So I feel like that's a really interesting perspective and something that I always have to remind myself. I think that life is really made up of small moments. And as much as we are always looking forward and ahead to these big accomplishments and milestones, our lives are really made up of the small little moments, and to bring in those pockets of peace in your day, or those little joys, or those small things that make you happy in your daily routine, and being grateful for them. I think it's really important to appreciate them, take a step back, and be present with them. I think enjoying the simple, mundane things is really important, and it's such a gift in front of us that we often overlook. The big accomplishments and the milestones, they happen, but they pass. And you're back into your daily routine, you're on to the next and the next and the next, but when are we ever here? Right now. So it's just a thought that has come up for me that I feel is very universal with this age, and it's definitely something that's very perpetuated in the collective, but I think it's important to talk about and just remind ourselves to slow down a little bit and enjoy your life. So I'm going to keep journaling, you guys. I'm having a little cozy night, and then I'm going to head off to sleep. Good morning, you guys. I am going to meet a friend today and we're going to go on a little hike. I'm so excited to go on a hike. It's going to be super cute. It's like this little hike that overlooks the ocean, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's a beautiful sunny day. I have my little outfit on. And honestly, I'm thinking about getting I'm between the Aloe jacket or the Lulu jacket. And the Divine jacket, I don't know what the Aloe one is called. I tried the Aloe one in stores. It was so buttery and soft, and I'm like, wow, this feels so nice. The thumb holes are really cute. I feel like they're very similar, but I don't know. I kind of like the design of the Lulu Divine jacket better, but I feel like the Aloe one feels softer and just so buttery and a lot more comfy. I know it's like the same material, but I don't know if you guys have it. If you guys like one over the other, let me know. But anyways, I'm gonna go head out, go on this hike in this blaring heat. It is literally like 90 degrees today, which is crazy, but I love the warm weather, so we're gonna go brave it. And I will see you guys super soon.
cementerio de lo que sentí. Tu mirada al horizonte y yo no estoy ahí. Si hay un hilo rojo en el amor, no llego a ti. No eres para mí, aunque quisiera. Sin embargo, yo te beso si me dejas. Quiero tomarte la mano y no decirte amo. Encontrar la madrugada contigo bailando. No conviene y lo sabes, que seguir por mi lado y olvidarme de todo. No conviene pensar a qué sabe tu boca, si tu piel y mi piel lentamente se tocan. No conviene pensar si te miro y no importa. No sé qué irá a pasar, pero mi mente sin ropa ya no te logro sacar. Bam, 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 amo el oeste. Bam, 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 mueve, mueve, muévete. Started off dirty talk. We were innocent in '06, blooming and alone. You came on gradual, sending every signal so I'd flip open my phone. Giving in to get to know you just a little more. Call me on the weekend if you get a little bored. Kiss me through the phone if you want. You can blow me up. We could call it love, that ain't what it was. Met you in a trend, you were evergreen, autumn red. Used to call it love, that ain't what it was, what it was. Heard a rumor set me off. Turns out you were not the person that you said you were. We got in a minute.